Okay, so we're comparing the costs of a couple things, apples and cherries in this case, both favorites in BC, and we are trying to determine the best, lowest price here. And so I guess at this point, we're pretty comfortable with the idea that coming up with a unit rate is a great way of comparing those costs. So let's do that. So unit rates, first of all, let's look at the cherries. So picking 2 points to establish a slope, with our slope being our unit rate. And for the cherries, we see that the rise is, and we can count that up, $7. And so the run, we would have a run equals 6 pounds, which some stores have it still in pounds, but a lot of them are in kilograms. But either way, we can compare. And so we can say this slope is the rise over the run equals $7 over 6 pounds. All right. And so if we threw that in the calculator, we'd come up with about $1.17. So dollars per pound. Okay. How about the apples? Again, rise over run. Good to say how we got our numbers. And let's look for an interception here. Right down here looks like a nice one. And in this case, we can say that the rise is 1 and the run is 2. And so the rise is $1. Let's make sure we get those units in there. And the run is 2 pounds. All right, so $1 for 2 pounds. And so we end up with $0.50 per pound. All right, so we've established what the costs are, the unit rates for these. Basically, $1.17 for cherries and 50 cents for the apples. And I guess we were just kind of establishing those costs. If we wanted to, we could say, well, the cherries are clearly a bit more expensive. And yeah, that's as much conclusion as we have to make here.